Hallo Freunde, ich heiße Siddharth Thakur. Ich bin ein Student von West German Language Institute, Rohini Sector 4. Der Name von meinem Lehrer ist Gaurav Thakur, and today I'm going to talk about one of the most important topics in the German language named Nebensatz. So basically it's conjunction which we use like and or, which is used to connect two different sentences. So there is the one Hauptsatz meaning the main clause, and there's Nebensatz meaning the subordinating sentence. So, for example, there is a sentence Ich studiere Deutsch, which means I study Deutsch, and there's another sentence Ich liebe Deutsch, I love Deutsch. So, if we would connect these words, it would be like I study Deutsch because I love Deutsch, but when we convert it into German, it would be like Ich studiere Deutsch, weil ich Deutsche liebe. So that's a sentence which we are making. And one thing which is to be noted is that the golden rule of Deutsch is that the verb comes at the second place. But when we conjugate this sentence using while, so you can see like here is while, here is ish, but the verb is at the end. So it happens because it's one of the rule of the Nebensatz. So like the first main sentence, main clause is like Ich studiere Deutsch, which follows all the rules, and then it is like weil ich Deutsche liebe. So while comes over here, and the verb goes at the end. And there is another structure to it in which we take the Nebensatz at the first place, and it acts like weil ich Deutsch liebe. So in this thing, also you can note that the verb comes at the end of the sentence of the Nebensatz, and when we start with the Hauptsatz, so the verb in the Hauptsatz, like Ich studiere Deutsch, the verb also comes at the first place. So it's like weil ich Deutsche liebe, studiere ich Deutsch. So weil is one of the subordinating conjunctions. For the contrast of it, there is then, which is a coordinating conjunction, and with coordinating conjunction, it's very simple, just as same as the English language. For example, you can see Ich studiere Deutsch, Ich studiere Deutsch, then Ich liebe Deutsch, Ich liebe Deutsch. There's no change in the structure of the sentence. And you can also take the example of Ich esse das Ei, which means I eat the egg, and the Nebensatz is gesund. It is healthy. So like when we when we connect these sentences, it becomes Ich esse das Ei, weil es gesund ist. You can clearly see that is a verb, and it is transferred to the end. And the other order of the sentence is weil es gesund ist. In this also you can see that is at the end, and the verb of the Hauptsatz is at the first place as a Ich das Ei. But when we take it with contrast to then it becomes Ich esse das Ei, Ich esse das Ei, same, and then because is gesund, because it is healthy. So that's what Nebensatz says. Thank you.